Big story at 10. Every prom has its own tradition, from getting the perfect dress to a tux. But what about breathing into a breathalyzer? It's the latest trend in Northeast Wisconsin this year as school districts look to crack down on underage drinking. Shawano High School is the latest. Students must pass a breathalyzer test in order to go to prom. NBC 26's Brian Miller is in the newsroom with the story.
Shawano School District has been considering this move for several years now, joining several schools in our area and dozens across the state that are cracking down on underage drinking and trying to keep kids safe on prom night. The decades-long tradition of prom night has long included underage drinking parties and some teens even showing up to the prom drunk. Something Shawano High School is trying to end. It's an approach that's used by other schools, and Shawano senior Cody Gleasing says it's worth it.
I was like, it's weird because that's going to take up a lot of time from prom, but I kind of understand where they're coming from because kids who are going to come to drunk and ruin prom for us, we need consequences. So maybe this will teach kids in the future not to drink.
This is called an alcohol sensor.
Every student who shows up for next weekend's prom will be greeted by this, a breathalyzer device that picks up any trace of booze on a person's breath without having to blow into a tube, saving time for both police and prom goers.
Our goal is to make sure that the kids are aware that we have safety in mind, and our hope is that the kids that are attending prom do not drink there or after prom.
Parent Kevin Barco says there was drinking on prom night when he was in school, and he's glad the district is trying to stop it for when his son goes next year.
If you're going to be coming to school drunk and you're concerned about being caught, then stay away. You know, the kids don't need to have the troublemakers at school causing problems by being drunk. So I think it's definitely a good idea that they curtail it now.
School leaders say drinking has been a problem at previous dances. Police say those who choose to drink before the dance could end up spending prom night in handcuffs. Shawano's prom is next weekend, and police say they'll also be looking for underage drinking parties after the prom. In the Green Bay newsroom, Brian Miller, NBC 26.